Thank you for joining us for our tribute to Dr. Mavis P. Kelsey, a remarkable physician, civic leader, educator, author, historian, and philanthropist. Today we celebrate Dr. Kelsey's legacy. Dr. Kelsey's story began on October 7, 1912 in DePort, Texas. The arrival of this baby boy marked the 5th generation of Kelseys born in the state of Texas. His childhood in small-town rural Texas had a profound effect on him throughout his life. Dr. Kelsey's parents owned a hardware store in DePort. His grandfather was a physician, and it was this relationship that inspired young Mavis to study medicine. Life in DePort was simple. The small town had no electricity, water, or sewer services until the mid-1920s. In later years, Dr. Kelsey would credit these simple, often difficult times with giving him the toughness to persevere in his life and career. In 1932, Dr. Kelsey graduated from Texas A&M University, then went to medical school at the University of Texas Medical Branch in Galveston. While the young Dr. Kelsey was furthering his medical training in Temple, Texas, he met his future wife, Miss Mary Randolph Wilson. In 1939, Dr. Kelsey and Mary were married. And it was in that same year that he accepted a 3-year fellowship in internal medicine at the world-renowned Mayo Clinic. While at the Mayo Clinic, Dr. Kelsey strengthened his friendships with future partners, Drs. William Seybold and William Leary. In 1941, Uncle Sam came calling. Dr. Kelsey was called to serve as a flight surgeon in the U.S. Army Air Force Medical Corps. It would be 4 years before he would return to the Mayo Clinic. During the war, the Kelsey family began to grow. Within just a few years, the Kelseys had 4 boys: John, Cook, Tom, and Mavis Jr. After the war, Dr. Kelsey returned to Mayo Clinic to complete his residency and begin his medical practice. But Mavis and Mary's hearts and minds began to turn toward home, toward Texas. And so it was, after much soul-searching, that the young couple and their 4 boys returned to Houston in 1948. Dr. Kelsey brought with him not only his growing family, but big dreams as well. Dr. Kelsey had a vision, the vision of establishing in Houston what he had seen and learned firsthand in Minnesota. He wanted to bring the Mayo Clinic model of medical care to the Bayou City. Dr. Kelsey believed that the ideal model for patient care meant combining the personalized, systemic care of internal medicine and primary care with the specific expertise of medical specialists. There were others in Houston who had big plans for medicine too, as the legendary Texas Medical Center began to grow. Dr. Kelsey leased space in the Herman Professional Building, but had to wait 4 months to move in, as construction on the building was incomplete. And then, in 1949, Dr. Mavis Kelsey, his brother, Mayo Clinic-trained physician Dr. John Kelsey, Dr. William Leary, and Dr. William Seybold founded the Kelsey-Leary-Seybold Clinic.
We envision a general practice with specialists all working together, consulting with each other freely. We figured one clinic with extensive resources that provide convenient services to patients would surely be a winner.
This collaboration between primary care and specialist physicians was key to the founding and formation of Kelsey-Seybold. But Dr. Kelsey had other innovations in mind too. He pioneered medical care in the workplace, as well as company medical plans, to make sure that employees could easily receive affordable medical care. Dr. Kelsey's ideas won the attention of colleagues at the space program, and in 1966, Kelsey-Seybold Clinic won its first assignment to serve the medical needs of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA.
Becoming part of the space program was one of those opportunities that comes but once in a lifetime. It was 1966. We just won the first contract of many to provide medical care for NASA, for the astronauts and the employees.
As Houston has grown, Kelsey-Seybold Clinic has grown with it. In 1949, Houston had about 600,000 residents, and it was only the 14th largest city in America. Houston is now the nation's 4th largest city, and Kelsey-Seybold Clinic has kept pace with Houston and with medicine.
Ever since we started the Kelsey-Seybold Clinic back in 1949, quality has been our most important consideration. Quality means doctors and staff with exceptional credentials, dedicated to providing superior health care. This is what we're all about.
In 1956, Doctors Mavis Kelsey, John Kelsey, William Leary, and Albert Owers established the Kelsey and Leary Foundation to support medical research and education. Dr. Mavis Kelsey has also lent his expertise and energy to renowned institutions, including the Mayo Foundation, Baylor College of Medicine, St. Luke's Episcopal Hospital, the Methodist Hospital, and MD Anderson Cancer Center. Dr. Kelsey was also appointed Dean of the University of Texas Postgraduate School of Medicine. The legacy of Mavis Kelsey, a child who grew up in a small Texas town, a young doctor perfecting his skills at the Mayo Clinic, father to 4 boys, teacher, physician, friend, and colleague, a man who has touched many lives and made them better. Today, we say thanks to Mavis Kelsey for letting us be a part of this proud legacy. Dr. Kelsey, thank you and happy birthday.